See these motorcyclists? These daredevils are using freeways and streets for stunts and racing. It's dangerous and deadly. She was killed speeding on her bike, and she's not alone. Tonight, hardcore street racing. It's a growing problem, and Eye on America takes a hard look on the CBS Evening News with Dan Rather.
Drama in Spain comes to a dramatic end. First, a warning: this videotape is graphic. The person involved did survive. A suspected bank robber in Spain turned over his hostages after a 12-hour standoff in return for a motorcycle to escape. He didn't get far. A police car right there blocked his path. The suspect crashed right into him. Amazingly, the suspect survived. He was rushed to the hospital and will face charges once he recovers.
Built the thing.
Another holy grail for freestyle. 95 from Bobby Sounds crazy. Big double Viking flip. Unbelievable. Takeshi Ashitoko, gold medalists again. McGrath gets the gold in his X Games. Second person ever to put that trick down. Lundstrom takes the goal.
It just felt so free. It wasn't about just going on a ride. It was about a ride that I was in charge of.
Never thought we'd ever see 10 X Games when we started.
The future is going to be scary.